everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this hair. I had so many people requesting a hair tutorial in my recent videos because I always do my hair like this when I'm filming. I also love doing this hairstyle when I have old hair and like I want to prolong it instead of washing it. But yeah, this hair took me like 10 minutes to do. It looks so effortless. It's so easy to do. So if you guys want to see how I got this hair, then please keep watching. So I already combed out my hair. I'm just going to kind of pick up the layers. I like to start off by taking 2 separate layers. I'm going to take this part right here and I'm going to clip it up. I also like to do this since my hair is it's not freshly washed, because I'm trying not to wash my hair a lot because I'm starting to experience some hair loss from the surgery. And it's like every time I wash my hair, it's like somehow I'm losing so much every time I shower. So I'm trying not to wash my hair. So if you see any like dry shampoo, I apologize. My dry shampoo always leaves a white cast. So anyways, so I brought the other 2 forward. And yeah, so this is how I like to start parting it. I kind of part it in 4 ways. So this is 1, this is 2, and then when I bring this down, I do the same thing and separate it. So that'll be 4. I'm currently using the NUME wand. This is the 1.5 inch barrel, and this goes up to 450 degrees. So it's been sitting here for a while, so it's pretty hot. So yeah, this is how I like to start it. I'm going to take 1 piece of hair like this. Since the wand is pretty thick, you can take a thicker piece. And I like to curl it away from my face. And I like to just wrap it around. It's super easy. And I hold it there for a couple of seconds. And then I just let go. And you get a nice curl. Nothing too tight. And I just keep doing the same thing. And let go. And I don't brush them out yet because they are very hot. You want them to cool off before you do any type of brushing out. You can curl them away from your face and then towards your face if you want it to be extra beachy. I like to do it all away from my face. Okay, and we're just going to throw that in the back, let that cool off, and then we're just going to do the same thing that we did on this side. So again, we're going to curl away from the face. So when you put the curling iron down, you want to take the hair and curl it this way, which is away from the face. If you were to do it this way, that's when your hair will kind of go in front of your face. You want to do it away from your face. So away from the face. How have you guys been liking the background? I saw a lot of people DMing me asking to put a backdrop up, that you guys didn't like the background anymore. If you did, you just wanted something different. Let me know what you guys think of the backdrop, or if you guys want, you know, my room back. Let me know. I'm probably going to speed the rest up until I get to the top parts. Okay, so I finished the bottom part, so now we're going to jump up here, and I'm going to take the clip out, and I'm going to also separate this into 2s. Like my hairline, I'm going to separate into 2s, and I'm going to pull one down, and then the other one I'm going to clip up so that it's not in our way. So when I start to do the front pieces, I don't take the curls all the way up because I don't want it to be really curly by my head. So, I kind of stop it like around here so that it's like natural and flows down. Alright, so we're going to take a piece. This is the size that we're taking, and I'm going to take the curling iron, and again I'm going to curl away from my face, but I'm going to start it like right here and wrap it. And I'm not going too close to the top. The bottom pieces I don't mind going pretty high because my hair is naturally straight, so a lot of the curls will fall out anyways. So bringing it up high will just let it, you know, last a little longer. So that's kind of what I like to do. It's more of away from the face. And then when it cools off, I'll play around with it and you know, put it to my liking. But I'm probably just going to fast forward the rest of the thing because, I mean, it's pretty repetitive. So yeah. Alright, so we just finished that piece. I'm going to bring this forward, and I need them to cool off a little, so I'm just going to... I don't use any type of hairspray because I hate the sticky feeling, plus my hair feels gross already from dry shampoo. So, okay, I'm going to use my fingers and just comb them out so that it just looks like natural waves. Just like that, and this side I'm going to do the same. Yeah, so it's super easy. This took me like 10 minutes to do. Your hair look effortless. Like, it doesn't look like you really tried that hard. I feel like it kind of makes your hair look like a blowout, like a really bouncy blowout, except without all that work. So yeah, this is the hair tutorial that I usually do in my videos. I mean, every time you do your hair, it's going to look different every time because it depends how long you leave, the wand in your hair. It depends like how thick you take the pieces. I mean, every time I curl my hair, I feel like it looks different every single time. But yeah, this is basically how I do it. I had so many people requesting it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super easy to do, and I do this a lot when I have old hair. So I washed my hair on Monday. Today is Wednesday, so I mean, I guess it's not that old. But for me, it's pretty old because my hair gets so oily. So right now it feels so dry because I put a lot of dry shampoo in it. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys enjoy hair tutorials, please let me know in the description box. I'd love to do more of them. I think this is my first time ever doing a hair tutorial. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.